We're here.
With a tripod. Put it on the hood.
Yeah.
Where's
Wait, you got a
Jackson?
video on? Oh, well then, hey, I'm gonna get my favorite shirt.
So here we are, 4x4 trailhead, and this is the gate. If you can't get over this, you don't belong in here. All right, you're about to come down the front side of it now, so lots of brake. Lots of brake. There you go. Nice. That's okay. It's just a rock rail. You're almost up. Yeah. You're good.
Yeah.
That was awesome. There you go. Submarining in my bronco last time. Holy moly. That's all right. That's pretty neat. Dude. Whoa, baby! Yeah, do it to the... Go left, a little more left. Yeah. Just to avoid this big old huge root right here. Then you keep coming straight in, and that gets you over that root. Yeah, there you go. He's gonna hit the... Oh, maybe he'll over... Ah, look at him. He went the other way. There you go. That'll work too. Yeah. That works, yeah. 650 horsepower works.
That is pretty tight for this big. More than one way to skin a cat.
Horsepower is always good. Yeah, right. Huckleberry drive-through.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. That's so good.
Finger licking good.
Uh-huh. Drive-through.
Drive-through huckleberries.
Oh, some pretty good ones.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, buddy.
Now we're having fun.
Uh-huh. How's it look, Captain?
We can make it.
Oh, dude, that's a really good shot. That's what rock rails are for, baby. We had to use one at least once.
Yeah, we did. 24.
24? Oh, that's deep. Hey, that's a... Oh, baby.
I did. So I was just coming back to look at the scrape. Yeah, that's just a rail. You're good.
Slow on the drop. Slow on the drop. There you go.
There you
You
go.
gotta keep your bumper today, Tim.
Yeah, got so much clearance it doesn't matter. It's a great trail.
Yeah, super fun.
Yeah. Whoa.
What goes down must come up.
Wait, really? It's a one-way? Oh yeah.
Wasn't paying attention. Oh!
Oh yeah. Oh man. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Cannot see anything.
This is fun.
See, this is exciting. I get to actually use the tools that I like.
I love it.
And I put in neutral and I'm like, ah! Spinning out.
That's some fun right there. Nothing like fun for a good time. That was a good, that's made some good progress.
Dang it. Oh, go, go, go. Martha.
Well, that one's spinning, but...
Snow is a different animal. Yeah, it is. It really is. Woo! Woohoo! Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, worst case to worst, we just would have broken the winch out, but it's more fun to try it without it, like this stuff. What do we got going on up on in here? Trying to reach something?
I was trying to, but I don't have enough. That tree up there, I was going to try to pull myself up, but I may need you to. I got a rock behind me, so I don't know if you can get by me here.
I can.
But be careful, because once you get up here, you don't have a whole lot of room. You can try to pull me. Always trying to get up there.
Yeah, so we can
No.
this way.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right on the rock.
I have never seen anything like this.
Okay.
Woo!
Yep. That's how you do it. Uh-huh. This is his car. He lives up here, and this is how he gets down to the road from his house. We have no business trying to go beyond the plow point, and we know we're getting stuck. We're just gonna see how far we get before we get stuck. That wasn't very far.
That wasn't very far.
Pulse our way out.
Yeah.
No.
There's that over there.
Yeah. Okay, time to get pulled.
Cool.
Yeah, we did it. I finally got stuck. I had to try today, but successfully did it. So we got out, but two of my tires were in a ditch the whole time. So we were pulling me through super deep snow out of a ditch. Extra slippery surfaces because it's 34 degrees. And that was rad. Here's the ditch. With several winching attempts all the way down. Daggum. Now that's some fun times. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.